Hi, welcome to Urmy's Cakes. Today I'm going to show you how to make egg-free brownies. I've made the batter for this using my cake mix. The link to purchase is in my bio. I've made another video on how to make the cake mix and you can watch so that you have a rough idea of how to get that done. So we're going to just put all the ingredients into the bowl. I've got the batter from 1 packet of cake mix, and then I've got 200 grams of chocolate chips and 200 grams of melted dark chocolate. You can obviously add other ingredients like almonds, nuts, anything that you fancy, tiny marshmallows, or I don't know, whatever, anything else, because brownies have, they're just nice, gooey and warm, comforting. So whatever you feel like, you're welcome to add. But for this one, I'm just keeping it simple. I'm just going to add chocolate and the chocolate chips. And you're going to need a baking tray, which is about, the one that I'm using is about 23 centimeters by 32 centimeters. And you just basically preheat your oven to 175 degrees, fan forced, and then put it in the oven and bake it for 30 minutes. So it's as simple as that, honestly. So that's all. You just mix it. I've just mixed it very roughly, so it's not totally combined. The chocolate and the batter is not totally incorporated, just roughly. And then I'm just going to put it onto the tray. And just flatten it out so you have a nice even layer, and just pop it into the oven when it's ready. That's it. That's how the brownies should look when they come out of the oven. Nice and warm. But we need to leave it to sit for a while before I can cut and show you what it looks like inside, and before I can have some with ice cream. We'll be right back. So we've got the brownie that we've taken out of the oven earlier. I've just let it sit and cool for about half an hour to 40 minutes so that I can actually handle, and it's not, because when it comes out of the oven, the cake is still warm. If you try to move it around, it will actually break up. Put it on the tray. Just gonna cut a piece so we can enjoy it. Now I'm a bit confused because I don't know whether I want the corner piece or the center piece. Maybe I'll just make a big enough piece so that I can take both. Okay. When you're eating dessert, you can't worry about calories and weight. To just enjoy yourself. See, it comes out nice and dense. I don't know if you can see the chocolate chips melted in there. Let's put that on the plate. Put this aside. What's the best way to have brownies with ice cream? I'm going to put that. Just dust some icing sugar. A bit much, but oh well. And then I've just got a bit of ice magic that I'm just gonna drizzle on top. Now, the only thing left to do is dig in. Ooh. If you like this video, follow my channel. Happy cooking!